All right, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to check your event logs and manage your computer by viewing login information, errors, and status features. This all that can be done on Windows 11 as well. I'm using my virtual machine, a VirtualBox, currently with the Windows 10. But it's very basic. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So if you want to check the logins, failed login attempts, or any errors you possibly may have had on your computer, you would just do this. So first you would go to the start menu and you just go management or computer management. Click that, give it a few seconds, and it will open the window. And you're pretty much halfway there at this point. So when you open this window, you get the computer management window, and from here, under the system tools, you'll have many different things that you can do. Device manager, for an example. The device manager gives you access to all your devices connected to a certain computer network. Again, say we have a display, we could choose to disable it. Same with the camera recording devices. If you need to activate or deactivate one, it's as simple as wherever it may be. For example, let's say we don't need the keyboard. Come here. It would have an uninstall or disable feature. Device manager performance, you can check the performance of your computer. Here you can also check the idle times of physical disks and the network interfaces. A brief summary, you can extend that out to get more performance-based information. User groups, any shared folders you have. But what we came here again is to check the events, log on events, and potential errors you may have had on your computer. So that would be located under Event Viewer. You open that up, and once you go here, you either go to Windows Logs. Windows Logs will show you your application, security, systems, and forwarding events. Logs, you can click on Applications. Now, application, this is where you can see all the information that's happened throughout the history of you being on your workstation at your system. As you see here, this information successfully scheduled software protection service restart, stops, status updates, states, but we do see errors here. And for me, this happened to me around 2 minutes ago. Well, six-ish minutes ago. We could click here in the error, we could check what the issue was, what are the details. So there is a failed license activation with this error code. Now, with this information, now that we have this error code, you could go online, paste this in, and see what this error code entails, potential fixes if it's a major error, how to resolve it, and recover information or have your workstation operate back to its full capacity. So you no longer have these errors. And again, on the third, around the same time, we had an error that was, I'm pretty sure this was the same error, that's the same code. Let's see if we can't go a few days, around a month ago, license activation failed. Let's see. Runtime, error activation failed. So all these errors are just at license activation failures from what we can see from the details. And failed with the following error, system event data. You can open and check the system, what system it happened on. what channel, and the event data with the error code here. That's how you can check what errors or check errors you currently and or previously had on your system. Therefore, by gathering that information, now that you know what the error is, you could go and get it resolved. Now, security, what I was telling you earlier as well, you can check the number of login attempts that has happened on your workstation. And this shows here. Audit success means a successful logon was made. There was no password wrong a specific number of times. If it did, it would show you. So a successful logon attempt would show this information here. It would give you the ID of the system, the name on the system, the ID, and additional information about the system you're attempting to log on to. And with that, like with the errors, it shows the successful logons. It also can show unsuccessful logons. I don't think I've made an unsuccessful logon recently at all. I don't think. Keywords, sort of inspect column. So if you had any failed logon attempts, say you stroked in a wrong letter symbol and you weren't able to log on, but you were because you remember your password or information to get into a workstation or your personal computer, it will show it. It will show the successful, as you can see, logon attempts, and it will also show whatever, again, with the time frames, date, and everything, it would show the failed attempts as well for each attempt. But that's pretty much it. This is just a very basic computer management system showing and how to get to it. Audit. Okay, now it shows audit failures. Okay, now it's showing audit failures. Now that I sorted it, it would show audit failures. I had a failed logon on the 9th. Login time, security, failed, account failed to log on. And then it will give a reason. And that was on the 9th of, the 9th of October. Let me sort these by date. 9th of October, as you can see, around the same time, a successful logon was made because, again, I failed to remember my password on the 9th of October, but I remembered it and I was able to log on, so it would show that audit, and it would show the audit failure and audit success. I'm going to go ahead and sort these keywords. But yeah, that's audit failures and audit successes for each day and each attempt. That's it. Quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. It is November. Wish you all a happy Hanukkah and a happy Thanksgiving. Take care.